Hey Ortiz Cougars, this is Coach Hernandez. Welcome to a great series of PE and health videos. In this series of videos, you will be learning about how the body works. Every day, Monday through Friday, you will be learning about a different body part of your body. Make sure you pay close attention to the video because I will be providing you a quiz with some questions I want you to answer shortly after the video. Here is today's video and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did.
I see your gallstones and raise you 4 tonsils.
Call, what you got?
Read 'em and weep, a pair of kidneys.
Well, filter my trash. Too bad for you, I have a straight set of teeth.
Arr, stupid good-for-nothing cards. I curse the day I bought you. Double or nothing?
Nerb, did you eat chili again?
That's not me, Chloe.
Help, somehow!
Nerb, let's get out of here!
I can't. I'm paralyzed with fear. Chloe, wake up.
What? Where are we?
We're in the mouth, the gateway to the digestive system.
The digestive system?
Yup, it takes the food you eat, breaks it down, and turns it into energy you can use. It's trying to break us down into tiny pieces as we speak.
Ah!
Oh, don't worry, Chloe. That's why we're wearing these spiffy anti-digestive suits.
Nerb, what's this goop on my arm?
Oh, that's saliva. As soon as you take a bite of food, digestion begins. Saliva contains things called enzymes that start breaking down food immediately.
Whoa! Looks like we're in the esophagus, a tube that runs from your mouth to
The stomach!
Youch!
Oh, happy day! Food!
Now we can watch it be digested.
Lucky us.
Look at the food! Look at it!
Right here in the stomach, gastric juices are starting to break it down.
It's amazing!
Gastric juices?
Yes, sirree. Gastric juice isn't like orange or grape juice. Your stomach secretes a mix of acid and enzymes that start digesting the food you eat. The stomach also churns the partially digested food, turning it into a lovely, liquidy mush. Then the food moves into the small intestine. Bye-bye, handsome.
Handsome? That combo of chewed up food and gastric juices was gross.
Well, then you're gross.
Excuse me?
Whoa, you've seen this combo of chewed up food and gastric juices erupt from your own body, if you've ever thrown up.
Oh, I have seen that before.
Nerb vomit sparkles with all the colors of the rainbow.
I think it's time to move on to the small intestine.
Here we are! The first part of the small intestine is called the duodenum, and it's where liquefied food goes next. Duodenum, duodenum, duodenum. There are more digestive juices found here, like bile. Bile is made in the liver and stored in the gallbladder until your body needs it. Bile and enzymes from the pancreas break down the proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It's here that the body absorbs the vitamins and minerals from the food.
Whoa!
Welcome to the large intestine!
Hold on. If the small intestine does all of that, why do we even need a large intestine?
Oh, my dear Chloe, of course you need a large intestine. The large intestine has an important job: to absorb water and salt.
So, what's left?
At the end of the digestive process, anything that hasn't been absorbed is considered waste, which your body doesn't need. In other words, poop.
Nerb, what's that sound? Uh-oh.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
how am I going to tell my diary about this?
Just say, today me and my best buddy Nerb went on a journey through the digestive system. And we had the time of our lives.
Wow, wasn't that a great lesson? What I want you to do next is go to the comment section below, type in your name, grade level, classroom teacher, and answer the questions as best as you can. To answer, just type in the question number and letter that matches the correct answer. I will be checking to see if you answered the questions below correctly, and I will be providing the answers the following day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the notifications button to continue learning from these great videos. See you soon.